Okay, class. Before we proceed to our next topic, let me ask you a question. Have you ever got sick because of eating some food, or have you ever got sick because of food? Yes, Miss Rampilio. Thank you for sharing your experience, Miss Rampilio. So, what she had said is right. This is one of the cause of foodborne illness, which is common when we eat a spoiling food or some food that wasn't handled properly. Yes. Is there any one of you class has experience aside from Miss Repilio? Thank you for sharing your experience. Okay, let's proceed to our next topic.